Kubor naga Khlem jong Udongsan Hima.
The total number of unemployed in the live register of employment exchange as on 31st March 2023.
So as I said, that exact number is not there with me, but as I said, the
No,
percentage.
sir. I mean the number of unemployed in the live register of employment exchange.
So that number is not there with me right now.
Sir, one more question. So I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister the total numbers of consultants appointed by the government and how many qualified engineers, persons from the state have been appointed as consultants.
So this is a very detailed question. I will not have specific reply to the number of consultants employed, but a large number of individuals have been appointed from the state and consultants, and large number of engineers also are there who are appointed. The exact number is not available with me right now, sir.
Baroni Lyngdoh.
Sir, I didn't intend to ask question, but since you call out my name.
You just raised
Okay, sir. Sir, may I ask from the Honorable Chief Minister, out of the 5 lakhs, how many will be included in the organized sector and how many will be included in the unorganized sector, sir?
Sir, this is the greatness of our assembly. Even those who don't want to ask questions have been given a chance to ask questions. Sir, of course, these are larger figures and overall figures. And just to give an idea to everybody how the breakup it looks like, so that they will get an idea on their own what will be the organized and the unorganized. So we're targeting that we should create in the agriculture and allied sectors, we are expecting to create about 2.5 lakh job opportunities in the next 4 years. Sir, in the different NRLM, which sir, again has been a very, very successful model, you'll be happy to know, sir, that in the last 5 years, we have created 1 lakh job opportunities for women in the NRLM sector, and these are all and employ at least about 50% from there. So about 1,000 we expect, 60,000 we expect that we'll be able to employ from there. So tourism is going to be a great job creator. We expect direct to indirect tourism projects to be created approximately about 50,000 based on the kind of investments that we have made in the past and the investments that we will be making in the future. Under the CM Elevate program, so again a very, very progressive and a program that's meant for the different youths of our state especially. We expect a minimum of 50,000 jobs to be created because we'll be supporting over 20,000 enterprises in this, some small, some big. So we expect a large number to be created in the IT sector. There is a second phase of the IT park in Shillong which is under work, and the new IT park in Tura also will be there. So we expect direct, indirect employment of almost 25,000 to be created in the IT sector. And sir, other government programs and other things that we plan to do within the government organization where a large number of people will be employed, may not be permanent employment, but on contractual basis, consultants, other things from, I think all these jobs will create at least a minimum of 10,000 more jobs within the department. So we expect that we should touch as I said, 3.5 plus. I have given conservative numbers in some, so therefore I stick with my figure of 5.5. But in the budget, of course, we have mentioned only 5 lakhs, keeping a buffer of 10%.
Thank you.